Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep. Subject is English and the topic is use of an. Topic is use of an. Today we are going to learn about the use of an. The use of an is used in a naming before a naming word which starts with a vowel sound. Like an egg, the letter E starts with a vowel sound. The second one is umbrella, an umbrella. The letter U starts with a vowel sound. The third one is an ant, and the letter A starts with a vowel sound. The next one is an apple. The letter A starts with a vowel sound. And the last one is an orange. And the letter O starts with a vowel sound. So these words are used with the use of an. And these are the pictures. First picture is egg. Second one is umbrella. Third one is ant. Fourth one is apple. And the fifth one is orange. An egg, an umbrella, an ant, an apple, and orange. This is your first activity. Write the use of an before the given words. Like apple, we use an apple. The second word is ant. We use an before a word, an ant. The third word is orange, an orange. We use an before a word, an orange. The fourth one is umbrella, an umbrella. We use an before a word, an umbrella. The fifth word is egg, an egg. We use an before a word. This is your second activity. Put a circle around the right word. Page number. Put a ring around the word. Dobara se. This is your second activity. Put a ring around the right word, which is on page number 6, and learn dictation words, which is on page number 7. Look at the book. This is your home activity. You have to done your homework in your workbook, which is on page number 6 and page number 7. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.